Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle frames. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Frameset mountain bike frame. Specifications: foldable, no. Material: aluminum/alloy. Color: black-blue. Size: 17-inch, 19-inch. Motor model: Bafang G510 1000 watts. Battery system: 18,650 cells, 48 volts/14 Ah. Compatible with 27.5, 29er wheelset. Seat post diameter, 31.6 mm. Headset, 44/56 of a millimeter. Rear shock, 190 by 51 ohm. Motor, 6.8 kilograms. Battery, 4.2 kilograms. Single frame, 4.32 kilograms. Warranty, 2 years. The item number 2 is Ogifkan CF025 carbon road frame. Specifications: brand name, Ogifkan. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, OGCF025. Surface processing mode, matte. Weight, 870 grams. Headset, 1/1/8 1/2. Fork weight, 400 G+/10 G. Seat post weight, 205 G+/10 G. Weight, 1700 G+/50 G. XS size. Color, black. Bottom bracket, BB86. Available sizes, XS/S/M/L. Bicycle frame, carbon frame. System, V-brake. Front size, QRX 100 ohm. Rear size, QRX 130 ohm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new carbon suspension MTB bike frame. Specifications: brand name, BXT. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, BXT MTB 097. Use, mountain bikes. Use, a suspension frame. Is _customized, yes. Weight, 2185.5 plus or minus 100 G for M size. Material, T1000 carbon fiber. Frame travel, 100 millimeters. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.